y'all. Okay, so I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about, sorry, I'm very like luminescent because I just put my lotion on. All right, so we are wanting to tell you guys a little bit about the new giveaway that we're going to be doing. I'm super stoked about it. So there are these new kind of trends on social media where people are doing giveaways, but a lot of people aren't doing live giveaways. So who else better to bring it to you than the Lauren Ashtyn collection, right? Yes. We just posted this, which you guys will probably see this like 3 days later after today. But it's still pretty quickly the content that we get out. But this is the post I just put out, and this is kind of the rules, and we're just kind of telling you a little bit about it. But our first live giveaway is going to be on June 5th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're doing it at that time so that people all over the world will still have a good time, that they're able to, you know, log in and view our giveaway, since it's going to be a live video that you have to participate in to receive the prize. The rules are you have to watch the entire live video on at the Lauren Ashtyn Collection page on June 5th at 9 p.m. Follow at the Lauren Ashtyn Collection page on Instagram or Facebook, whichever place that you're watching live. Must comment at least once under the live video with 4 words or more. And the reason we ask you to do that is because that actually brings us up much higher in the algorithm if there's 4 words or more. If you do less than 4 words underneath the comment section, it actually just doesn't even count as you having a comment for the analytics, which is kind of crazy, right?
Never knew that.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's crazy.
So crazy.
It is.
I'm like, well, but sometimes all I want to say is like a thumbs up or a heart, you know what I'm saying? And that doesn't count for anyone. So like now I'm really trying when I'm commenting on other people's stuff to put forward. And then the winner will of course be announced live at the very end of the video. And we're also going to be giving out a coupon code for everyone to be able to use that have watched the video live. And we are giving away this awesome T3 blow dryer. We all use them at the Lauren Ashtyn Collection. And when we do our special events, we also use those. They're amazing. It's a professional dryer. It's the Cura, and it's very, very lightweight. It's a $200 value. I really love the blow dryer. Like, it blow dries my hair really, really fast, and it's really, really, really lightweight. Even Christopher can use this blow dryer.
That's what's up.
I use it on the client.
All right, so and another cool thing that we're doing, so I don't know if a lot of you have watched or have been a part of the trending game all over the world called HQ. I'm sure a lot of you have.
Love
HQties.
Love it. I was one of the original HQDs.
Yeah, but your sister was the original OG.
They're
she
over 3 million now.
Yeah.
Right? And my sister was like one of the first, like, I think it was like 8,000 people.
No, it was less
Wow.
than
Were
that.
part of HQ. I think less than that.
That's
great.
And
That's
one of her friends
insane.
has won before, but it wasn't one of the big prizes. But anyways, like HQ, you know, we were thinking, how can we remind every person that wants to be a part of this giveaway 10 minutes before the giveaway starts? Like, how can we do that? So we have now figured out a way for, if you guys send us your cell phone number, we can actually send an automated text to everyone, reminding everyone the giveaway is in 10 minutes from that moment, so that you don't forget. If you're like me and, you know, you're like, oh, I want to be a part of that, and then like 30 minutes after it starts, you're like, oh, dang, I forgot. That's me. So if you get a text, you won't forget, because then you can log straight on and watch the video. All you have to do is inbox us on Facebook or Instagram with your cell phone number, or you can email it to contact@laurenashtyn.com. We've actually already gotten probably 10 or 20 of them since I posted this just a little while ago. I'm excited. I'm hoping that we're gonna have lots and lots of people on. The really cool part about this is if you guys make this really, really big for us, we're gonna do this at least twice a month, if not every single week for you guys, and the prizes will just keep getting larger and larger and larger with how many people are viewing the live video. So, you know, we're going to start out with a smaller item, giving it away, even though it's still a $200 item. So imagine what kind of good goodies we could just have next for the giveaway.
That face though. Okay.
Yeah, I'm really excited about it. And be sure to tag and tell all your friends underneath this post so that they can participate as well.
That is right.
Do you have any comments or concerns, Christoph?
Comments or concerns? No concerns. Comments are jacked to get it started. I think it's going to explode on Instagram and Facebook, and I think we'll rank up in the algorithm as we've been trying to find the next step to get us to that next level and our followers, with our followers, and with our giveaways. And I think this is going to be that opportunity. So jacked about that. And I think the team's just as jacked about it, except maybe customer service there a little bit.
Awesome. So if you guys have anything that you would like to see to be the prize next time for our giveaway, you can also hashtag us underneath some different products that you guys see on Instagram or Facebook, and we would love to check it out. Thanks, guys. Love you.